Hello and welcome. This video will walk through creating an Endnote account and syncing your Endnote library, which are important steps to ensure your library will work properly. This tutorial will walk through the steps for Windows users. First, open your Endnote library and click the Edit tab in the upper left corner. From this dropdown, you will be looking for the Preferences option towards the bottom. This will open a window with a lot of helpful customizations. The one we are looking for is Sync. This is where you can configure your sync settings for your EndNote library. Syncing will ensure all changes will be regularly updated within EndNote system. If you don't have an EndNote account, clicking on the Enable Sync button here will prompt you to create an account. You can use your Duke email for this, but please do not use your NetID password when creating your EndNote account. You will now be able to sync your EndNote library with your account. You may also choose to have Endnote do this syncing automatically by selecting this radio button here. Once you have made your changes, be sure to hit Apply, and then you can select OK. There is also an option to prompt a sync if you don't prefer an automatic sync. On the library's main screen, you can click the Sync Status button near the upper left corner of your menu. This page will show you different information about the status of your library. For example, mine is letting me know that I currently need to sync because it is stating there are changes that need to be sent. To start a new sync, I'll click the Sync Now button near the upper right corner. You will know the sync was successful when your sync status says all changes have been sent and the last sync date is today's date. We hope this video was helpful. Please remember that you can always contact your librarians at medical-librarians@duke.edu if you run into any trouble. Thanks for watching.